Hello guys and welcome back to my channel aqknowledgeentertainment. In this tutorial I'm going to show you all how to make a Gmail account. Okay, it's very simple to make a Gmail account. Just go to your Google and type Gmail. Okay, and press enter, and there you will get like this Gmail. Okay, Gmail, that email for Google. Then you press this, and here you will get like this. Then you will go right here and the bottom, almost the bottom left, create an account. Okay, create an account. You will create an account there, and you will type, there are some specifications here: name, username and password. So here you should type your first name. I will just type just my channel name. Okay, you can type any name, whatever you want. Okay, so here you can see, and here you can type the username, and this username is gonna be your Gmail accounts, like the name which you give to other people to send you an email or whatever. Okay, so I just type okay, I just randomly put it. Now here I type the password, and again the confirm password, like it just wants to check, do you remember the password or no. Okay, then click next. So here you can see this that username is taken. That means this username already someone has it. Okay, now what you should do is just make a bit of changes. So I put, okay, I just make small changes and I put next. Again it says, so just keep changing. Okay, just type whatever username you want and try it until it comes, because sometimes it just says, I don't know why it says that username is taken. Okay, I don't know if it's true or no. I'll press next. So finally that username has been missed. That's okay. Now here they ask you 4 things. That's your phone number, that's optional, recovery email address, that's also optional, and date of birth and your gender. They ask you the phone number or recovery email address because in case of you forgot your password, you go to forgot password and they will send you a code or something like that onto your mobile number. Okay, and there you can type it and it will be okay. And now I just don't want it, it's optional, so I just skip it and I go to your birthday. Okay, day 24. Okay, and year. Okay, then gender, it's male, and next. So after doing that, privacy and terms, that every time comes, whatever you do, so just read it and put it, I agree. Okay, after that just wait for some time because it's preparing a new email ID for you, so it takes up time. Okay, so just be patient for some time and your email ID will be ready. So here you can see, ta-da! Here you can see they give a welcome page and your email ID is successfully being made. Now here you get 3 options, like choose a view, like if you get email address many, so how would you want it to be? You want it to be default, comfortable or compact. I just leave it in comfortable and I press OK. Now you can see our Google account is ready. Okay, now if you want to send someone an email address, how would you send it? Just you can see a compose in the top left corner. Just go to compose and type the username of the one whom you want to send. Okay, just type the username here and the subject, and you can also attach files. Okay, you can attach files here, videos, pictures or whatever, and you can press send. Also you can schedule it here, like if you want to send it tomorrow morning, so you can just schedule the time and you can send it. Okay, so for this tutorial only this much. So hope you like this tutorial. So guys, before ending this tutorial, please press the like button down below, and also press the red button to subscribe, and also ring the bell icon to get my latest videos first. So guys, thanks for watching, and also comment me down below if you want me to make videos related to any topic.